In the first news today, the Rajya Sabha has passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025, a day after its clearance in the Lok Sabha. Introduced by Union Minister of Electronics and IT Ashwini Vaishnav, the bill seeks to regulate and promote two-thirds of online gaming sector while prohibiting online money games along with related bank services, advertisements and promotions. Vaishnav stated that 45 crore people have been adversely affected by online money games and loss of over 20,000 crores incurred by middle-income families. Citing WHO's classification of online money game as gaming disorder, he called it a major public health risk linked to money laundering and terror funding. The bill defines online money game as an online game irrespective of whether such game is based on skill, chance or both, played by a user by paying fees, depositing money or other stakes in expectation of winning, which entails monetary and other enrichment in return of money or other stakes, but shall not include any esports. As per section 2H, online money gaming service shall mean a service offered by a person for entering or playing the online money game. Any person who extends such service in contravention of the proposed law shall be punishable with up to 3 years imprisonment or up to 1 crore fine or both. A person who engages in advertisement thereof shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 2 years or fine up to 50 lakhs or with both. The bill allows the government to endow vast investigative powers on the authorized officers. That would include arrest and search of property without warrant if there's a reasonable suspicion of offence being committed or about to be committed. Notably, the proposed law shall not apply only to online gaming services offered within the territory of India, but also to those operated from outside of India.